Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Paula. I am a mom, a wife, a farmer, and a professional in a nonprofit. And here on my channel I show my planning, my personal planning, what I use to help me be effective and efficient in all of those areas of my life. So if that sounds like something that would be interesting to you, please subscribe. We're going to go ahead and get started. We are going to be planning in this video the week of the 17th through the 23rd of April. My main planner is here in my Wonderland222 A6. That is my personal everyday carry planner that I use for everything. It is my hub for everything. So I'm just kind of gonna jump right in here and start putting stickers down. I do not put specifics in this video about what each different thing that I'm writing down is. In this particular planner, this is not, I do have a work planner. This planner is my just what I use for reference. This is what is carried around. This is what, if someone opened it, you would find it in my wallet. It's what I have with me personally, in my purse all of the time, just to let me have a general idea of what days I might be in my office versus out on the road, for just kind of a general idea of, just kind of a general idea of whether I have office days or days on the road or what kinds of things need to go on. So that's what this is for me. It also has lots of different things that I track in here, personally using all of the front pages that I have set up. You can always check out my setup video if you are interested in seeing that and how it is that I do that. I'm going to put Thursday is trash day. Every time I do this, I throw all of my stickers all over, and I just take them out and use them, and then I have to put them all back. And that's irritating when that happens, but I continue to do it. Friday the 21st is payday. Both my husband and I get paid every 2 weeks, and we get paid on the same day, so it's just one big budgeting session for me. I was going to, and I'm still considering doing it. I'm thinking it'll probably be coming out in the next couple weeks, but I am considering or planning on doing a budgeting video. I'm not sure if that's anything that's of interest to the people that watch my planning videos, but I think I'm just gonna give it a try, and we'll just kind of see how it goes. If it's not something that people want to see, like, I'll look for feedback. But I watch some of the, or lots, I guess. I watch the different, I don't watch lots, but I watch some budgeting videos here on YouTube, and I know that things can seem overwhelming, or I spend time, I always, when I kind of started watching the budgeting things on YouTube, it led me to a place where I was like, oh my gosh, what I'm doing isn't enough. And I was really interested in some products. And when I got them and I tried them, I was like, I'm just not in a place where this is something that, oh, well, part of my treadmill broke. You know, it wasn't something that I was like, this is something I need on my plate right now. What I'm doing is working for me. And it's different, and to me it seems more simple, and so that's okay. And so I thought, you know, I always think it's okay, or you know, it's appropriate to remind ourselves that what we're doing sometimes is enough, and we don't need to do other things. But I did think about doing just kind of a general video about my budgeting. So I'm putting down these are from Simple Southern Mommy, Maggie May workout stickers that I'm putting. I work out 4 days a week, and so I put those on there. Just checking my sticky note here to see what things I might have missed. I'm going to do this a little bit differently this week. Study that night. There's a class that I'm taking. I think I have maybe 2 more weeks of it. I think it was an 8-week course to start, and so we're getting that done. What things do I have in here? Just gonna move that out of the way. I need to find, whoops, I keep bumping that. It's probably just a poor setup on my end. So I'm just checking to see what things I need, what things we might need to put in different places. So this is a little shopping cart. That's going to be our reminder to do our, our grocery shopping. I'm not going to put that there. I don't want that there. Reminder to do our grocery shopping. This is going to be this day. I have an event at one of my kiddos' classrooms. Shopping, there was something that I just saw. Okay, I have a doctor's appointment or a chiropractor appointment at 8 o'clock on Friday. I think that's probably the situation every Friday if you've watched me, and if you're looking for a theme, that would be a good one. It's definitely a noticeable theme. All right, so I'm going to change it up this week. This week I'm going to put the buses on the days that I need to be home to catch the bus, which probably is the thing that makes the most sense. Without a doubt, that is what makes sense. I'm going to see if I have any kind of a sticker for a field trip, as my son has a field trip this week. I do not have a specific one. So if you heard that, my 2-year-old is doing great with potty learning. Don't want to jinx it, but it's going pretty well. She did just get up from her nap, so she is in a pull-up and didn't want to take it off, and I didn't want to fight. It makes it sound like I just give up. Like, some things just aren't. We're just picking our battles around here. If she wants to run around in a pull-up, that is totally fine. But sometimes that is a good reason for them to not use the bathroom, because they have a pull-up on and it's an easy thing. But in she hopped to do that, so that's exciting. Yay for her. I do not have any specifics. I think I'm just going to put I think I'm just going to throw that on here as his field trip. I have the details for that. And my home reference thing, I might just be good to know in case I were to get a phone call during that time, if there were. Good job. Thank you for listening to your body. So that right now, I think I have everything on there. 2 Zooms and a home visit, training, poverty simulation, payday, event in her classroom, 3 home visits, 3 home visits. Yeah, so that is what my day looks, or my week kind of generally looks like. I definitely add to stuff as things go on, and I'll probably do a flip at the end of the next quarter, and you can see how I will add things as they happen. I give myself time to work on some of my own things, usually here during nap time. That's when I do my planning and some of my videos, when I have the time to do that. So I'll put those stickers there during that general nap time. And then the time in between on Fridays, I think I have said before that is when I do my, I call it my weekly cleaning. On Fridays, I do my weekly house cleaning, and not that that's not the only day that I clean, but that's when I do kind of my weekly reset. I follow, or I have followed, some kind of modified version of Fly Lady and modified it a little bit to fit my own life a little bit better. So this is right now what I have for my weekly plan for the week of the 10th through the 17th through the 23rd, excuse me. So we'll move on to the dailies. All right, so for my weekly, right, so for this upcoming week, the main things that I have to put here on the dailies, I just like, kind of just for some whatever effect, to put a sticker down during the day for my workout. Usually that happens right about that time. Stickers in that street. But my life isn't super straight, so we'll just... I think I'm gonna put... Got some freebies from Orange Umbrella Co. that I'm gonna put on here and just decorate this Friday. I just like to have different things different decorations here. Okay. And then there is when I do my cleaning. This is when I do when I do my chiropractor. Yes.
Oh.
All right, and then this is school. So that is my Friday, Wednesday, Thursday. The only note I'm gonna put in here.
Oh, I got a spoon.
So I'm just putting a note in there that is, I'm planning to work late that night. There's one night usually a month that I have to work late, so I'm putting that note in there because that is for that day. Wednesday I teach religion. I also like to put in here the reminder sticker to take out the trash to our dumpster. Oh, I've got workout here on Thursday. I've already got some notes made. That's my Friday schedule and a starting to do list. I don't think we have anything on our calendar for Saturday, which is always just a little weird. That's a way bigger sticker than I need, but I'm going to use it. Way bigger sticker than I need for that space, but I'm going to use it anyway. And then I'm just going to put these reminders on here. And the reminder of church and Bible study. And those are the only things that I have on my list to put on the daily. So that is my daily plan with me, as well as, where is my week at here? As well as my week for the 17th through the 23rd. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my content, my planning, and my messy fun life here, subscribe to my channel, and I hope you have a great day.